All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another exciting journey into the world of LaTeX. And in today's video, we are going to explore the essential aspects of LaTeX document classes. These are templates that define the overall layout structure of your document. So, what exactly are document classes? Well, think of them as blueprints for your document. They determine the overall style, formatting, and even the available commands you can use. Using the right document class is crucial as it sets the tone for the entire project. So let's dive into each document class and see how they can handle different types of content. So we start with the article class. This is an example of a document class type article. We have now the in document, the title, the author, the date, page title. And when we run this, this is what. So the article class is perfect for academic papers, journal articles, and short reports. This is an example of an article class. Let's see another type of class, which is called the report class. The report class. So what changes is the report. Now for the report, it takes into, you can have some chapters. Report class is it's ideal for longer documents, reports, and essays. So if you run this, compile this, run it, what we get, you can see now the title page is on its own. Now we have the chapters, introduction, the chapter 2, the etc. You can see even the numbering, it's taken care of that well. So the other type of class we have is a book class. It's perfect for book length projects. Let's see how it organizes chapters and parts. For the book, it has some parts. So, example, just have the book class there, the title, the author, the date, table of contents. We have now part, chapter. Let's see what happens to run this. This is what we get. Have the title page on its own. Title page on its own. You can see even the numbering. It's taken off care of or as a book. See now the the page 2 here is blank. Then you have the page the table of contents. You can see the page 4 here. See the content there. You can see part 1, first part, the chapter 1, second part, chapter 2, etc. So this book class is a perfect for book length project. Now we have another type of class. It's called the Beamer class. If you are into presentation, then the Beamer class is your go-to. So let's see how we can create some slideshows. You just specify Beamer class there, and then for this case, we handle the slides as frame. So this is a frame, this is a slide, and this second argument here is for the title of that frame. This section and subsection and subsection, those are for make table of contents. If you want to generate the table of contents, scan this section, the heading, and generate for you precise. So we deal with a frame, with a slide frame. So this is just a basic example. There is much into slides editing, having multiple frames in multiple slides in one frame. So if we would run this, let's see what we get. This is what we get, and you can see it is in slide. We are using another PDF viewer, maybe Firefox or a browser. We'll see this as frame, good for presentation. The other type of a class we have the letter class. You are into writing letters. If you need to write a letter, then the letter class has got covered. This is a simple letter. Have to specify the class as letter. Then begin document environment must be there. Then you have the begin letter. We have the letter environment, begin letter, the recipient's name, recipient's address, then opening. We have some. I remember I said as we are starting this video that the type of class you specify, it gives some specific, some commands that are just specific, a set specific type of class. For distance, for the letter class, we have the opening of the closing, have the beginning, have the letter. So and there are many. There are other things, but this is just a simple one, a simple example. And if you run it, you see that it takes care of the letter very well. Have the address there. You have the address. Have the station. You have even closing. So that's it. So there you have it. The hands-on solution of LaTeX document classes with some dummy content. So experiment with these classes and find the one that suits for your project. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of LaTeX document classes. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LaTeX tutorials. And for that YouTube algorithm, happy God bless you. Have a blessed time. Thank you. See you in the next one.